Hi, my name is Mark Onautan from the course of Bachelor in Secondary Education major in Science. Before we proceed to our topic today, I want you to know the objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student shall be able to define the importance of the sun, identify the characteristic of the sun in the solar energy and the stellar evolution. But first, it will start with a clue. It rises in the morning, giving light to the land below it. It sets in the evening, leaving the world in darkness. Or it even provides heat and energy necessary for life to survive on Earth. You know what I'm talking about. In this video, I'm going to discuss the sun, solar energy, and stellar evolution. Because it is important to us, the sun has been studied and observed since ancient times. Astronomers today still studying it and are constantly learning new things about the sun, the center of our solar system. The sun is a star, not different from the star that can be seen in the night sky. It may look different, but that is because the sun is many times closer to us than any other star. The sun is the largest object in our solar system. In fact, if you collected everything in the solar system, including the sun, the planet, or even the dwarf planet, comets, asteroids, and moons, the sun would account for more than 99% of it. So, with everything else ending up to less than 1% of the solar system. But actually, the sun is only star in our solar system, but it is bright, and without life on Earth wouldn't exist. So it is super important. But first, fact about the sun we want to learn is that the sun is just a regular star. Yes, that's right. It's just a regular star. There are hundreds of billions in our galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. Sun formed about 4.5 billion years ago in the Milky Way galaxy's Orion sphere. But sun is special to us, right? Because it is the center of our solar system. But the sun really is a regular star. Like other stars, the sun uses hydrogen to burn bright. Hydrogen is the sun's fuel. Just like food is our fuel, and gasoline is the fuel of cars. The sun uses hydrogen as a fuel. If you're wondering what hydrogen is, hydrogen is a gas found all over the universe. Mass of the gravitational force are weakening, and thermal energy force are slowly causing the star to expand. And it's hard to see because it doesn't have any color to it. But it's all over the place. In fact, hydrogen is the most common element in our universe. So, stars uses a gas called hydrogen as a fuel. The larger star, the faster it burns through hydrogen. Thankfully, the sun has at least 5 billion years supply of hydrogen left. The sun will keep burning for a long time. Here's an interesting question. How far is Earth from the sun? How far is the planet from this huge star in the center of our solar system? Well, it's a pretty far away. The sun is about 93 million miles away from Earth. That's right, what you heard. 93 million miles away from our planet Earth, or it could be 170 years to travel the sun from planet Earth. And it is a great thing that sun is about 93 million miles away. Because if we are any closer to the sun, it would be too hot, or it's very too hot to sustain life. And if we're farther away, we could all freeze it. It would be a way too cold. And of course, having a huge star 93 million miles help to see things, right? We can't see anything here from the distance of 93 million lights. It is helpful to have massive burning light in the middle of our solar system. That's run of hydrogen. Can you imagine living in the world without light? It would be just dark, we wouldn't see anything. It could be like we could be bumping each other, or the name of that mountain, that animals, that it is human, it is house. We could see anything if there's no light. The sun's core is about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit or 15 million degrees Celsius. By the time heat from the sun's core reaches its surface, temperature have dropped considerably. The surface of the sun is only about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit or 5,500 degrees Celsius. Unlike the Earth, the sun does not have a solid surface. You may be surprised to learn that the sun's gassy surface is not calm and quiet. Instead, the sun is constantly moving and changing with sunspot or dark patches, or color, temperature, and solar flare or eruptions or high energy radiation, frequently marking its surface. The solar system orbits around the center of the galaxy, is which we live the Milky Way. It only takes the Earth 1 year to complete an orbit around the Sun, but scientists estimate that it will take the Sun about 230 million years to complete an orbit of the galaxy. Without the energy provided by suns, radiation on the Earth would be dark, cold, and uninhabitable. Although it has been studied for 1,000 years, there is still much to learn about the Sun. I hope you enjoy learning about the Sun, the center of our solar system.